people like me who study food as medicine, and I write about this in my book, let me do the heavy lifting for you. Let me tell you that what we're beginning to understand is that some specific plant-based foods are actually able to protect our blood vessel, protect our vision, and what's good for our eyes are good for our brain. So you get a twofer, a double-barreled approach to overall better quality of life and protected function.
At 76 years old, Stella discovered something remarkable that changed her life forever. The wisdom of Dr. William Li, renowned physician and author of groundbreaking books on food as medicine, became her guiding light in a journey toward better vision. Dr. Li's expertise in how certain foods can stimulate stem cell activity and promote healing had given hope to thousands, and Stella was about to join their ranks. His revolutionary approach to using nutrition to activate the body's innate regenerative capabilities particularly resonated with her as she faced worsening cataracts. If you're struggling with vision issues or simply want to protect your eye health for years to come, the wisdom Stella uncovered could transform your life too. Before we dive into her incredible story, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, share with someone who might benefit, and leave a comment below about your own experiences with vision health. Together, we're building a community dedicated to natural healing and optimal wellness. Stella's journey with cataracts began gradually, as it does for most people. What started as slightly blurry vision eventually progressed to significant clouding that interfered with her daily activities. Reading became difficult, driving at night nearly impossible, and the vibrant colors of her beloved garden appeared increasingly dull. Her ophthalmologist suggested surgery as the only viable option, a prospect that filled her with anxiety. You might be wondering what cataracts actually are and why they develop. They occur when the clear lens in your eye becomes cloudy, typically due to age-related changes that cause proteins in the lens to break down and clump together. This clouding blocks light from passing clearly through the lens, causing vision problems that worsen over time. By age 80, more than half of Americans either have cataracts or have undergone surgery to remove them. These progressive vision changes can dramatically impact your quality of life, making everyday activities challenging and potentially leading to isolation if left untreated or unmanaged through dietary and lifestyle interventions. What many people don't realize is that oxidative stress plays a significant role in cataract formation. Your eyes are constantly exposed to oxidative damage from UV light, environmental toxins, and even normal metabolic processes. Over time, this damage accumulates, particularly if your diet lacks protective antioxidants that could help neutralize these harmful free radicals. The delicate tissues in your eyes are especially vulnerable to this oxidative assault, which is why incorporating antioxidant-rich foods becomes increasingly important as you age to maintain visual clarity and prevent the acceleration of cataract development. This is where Dr. William Li's research became a game-changer for Stella. She happened upon his book while browsing in a local bookstore, drawn to his concept of eating to beat disease. Dr. Li, a Harvard-trained physician, has dedicated his career to understanding how food can act as medicine by supporting the body's health defense systems, including regenerative capabilities involving stem cells. His groundbreaking work reveals how specific bioactive compounds in everyday foods can activate your body's innate healing mechanisms, potentially slowing or even reversing certain degenerative conditions that conventional medicine considers irreversible or only treatable through surgical intervention. Stem cells are your body's master cells. They have the remarkable ability to develop into many different cell types and serve as a repair system for the body. As you age, your stem cell function declines, but certain foods can help rejuvenate and activate them. Dr. Li's research showed that specific compounds in everyday foods could help support stem cell function and potentially aid in tissue regeneration. These powerful cellular allies work tirelessly to replace damaged cells throughout your body, including those in your eyes, but they need proper nutritional support to function optimally, especially as the natural aging process diminishes their regenerative capacity and responsiveness to tissue damage. After reading his work, Stella decided to give herself 6 months before scheduling cataract surgery. She would follow Dr. Lee's nutritional recommendations religiously and track any changes in her vision. Her ophthalmologist was skeptical, but supportive of her trying nutritional approaches alongside regular monitoring of her condition. Have you ever considered how powerful your dietary choices can be? Stella began incorporating foods rich in specific compounds known to support stem cell function and protect eye health. Dark leafy greens like kale and spinach became daily staples, providing lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that accumulate in the retina and lens, filtering harmful blue light and neutralizing free radicals that contribute to cataract formation. Brightly colored berries found their way into her breakfast each morning. Blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that not only protect eye tissues, but may also help activate resident stem cells. Studies have shown these compounds can enhance the survival and function of stem cells throughout the body, potentially supporting natural repair processes. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel appeared on her menu 3 times weekly. The omega-3 fatty acids in these fish reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the eyes, and support the function of retinal cells. They also create an optimal environment for stem cell activity, enhancing their regenerative capabilities. Stella also embraced cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. These contain sulforaphane, a compound that activates the body's NRF2 pathway, a powerful cellular defense mechanism against oxidative stress. This protection is particularly important for the crystalline proteins in your eye's lens that, when damaged, contribute to cataract formation. Green tea became her afternoon ritual, replacing her usual coffee. Rich in catechins, green tea has been shown to protect lens proteins from oxidation and may support stem cell function. The simple act of sipping this antioxidant-rich beverage gave Stella a moment of mindfulness each day, reducing stress that could potentially contribute to oxidative damage. Orange-colored fruits and vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, and cantaloupe provided beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A, essential for good vision and proper eye function. These foods also contain additional carotenoids that accumulate in eye tissues, providing protection against light-induced damage. Did you know that certain cooking methods can enhance the bioavailability of these protective compounds? Stella learned to lightly steam her vegetables rather than boiling them, preserving more nutrients. She also discovered that pairing fat-soluble nutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin with healthy fats improved absorption, so she drizzled olive oil on her salads and added avocado to her smoothies. After 3 months of consistent adherence to this nutrient-dense diet, Stella noticed something surprising during her follow-up appointment. Her ophthalmologist confirmed that while her cataracts were still present, they hadn't progressed as expected. Even more encouraging, some of her vision measurements had slightly improved, and she reported less glare and better color perception. These changes weren't dramatic enough to eliminate the need for surgery eventually, but they gave Stella hope and improved her quality of life in the meantime. Her experience aligns with emerging research suggesting that nutritional interventions may help slow cataract progression, even if they can't completely reverse already formed cataracts. Beyond the specific foods targeting eye health, Stella's new dietary pattern supported her overall well-being. Her energy improved, she slept better, and chronic inflammation that had caused joint pain for years began to subside. This holistic improvement reminded her that your eyes don't exist in isolation. They're connected to and affected by the health of your entire body. Perhaps the most valuable lesson from Dr. Lee's wisdom is that you don't have to wait until you have a health problem to benefit from these nutritional approaches. The same foods that supported Stella's eye health also help protect against heart disease, cognitive decline, and many forms of cancer by supporting your body's natural defense systems. You might be wondering if supplements could provide the same benefits. While high-quality supplements can play a supportive role, Dr. Lee emphasizes that whole foods offer synergistic combinations of nutrients that work together in ways scientists are still discovering. For Stella, a food-first approach made sense, though she did add a high-quality omega-3 supplement to complement her dietary changes. The community aspect of Stella's journey became unexpectedly important. She joined an online group of people following similar nutritional approaches for various health conditions, sharing recipes and encouragement. This support network helped her maintain motivation and consistency, especially during the first few challenging weeks of changing lifelong eating habits. What's particularly encouraging about Stella's story is how accessible this approach is for you. The foods that support stem cell function and protect eye health aren't exotic or expensive. They're available in ordinary grocery stores and can be prepared simply. Small changes consistently applied can potentially yield significant benefits for your vision and overall health. If you're inspired by Stella's journey, consider starting with just one change this week. Perhaps add a daily serving of leafy greens or berries, or swap 1 cup of coffee for green tea. Notice how your body responds and gradually build on these positive changes. Remember that the goal isn't dietary perfection, but progress toward nourishing your body's innate healing capabilities. Stella's experience reminds us that while modern medicine offers remarkable interventions like cataract surgery, we also have daily opportunities to support our health through food choices. The power to influence your well-being lies partly on your plate, with each meal representing an opportunity to provide your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Have you been neglecting your eye health? Many people don't think about their vision until problems arise. Consider Stella's proactive approach as an invitation to care for your eyes now, regardless of your age or current visual status. The foods that supported her journey can benefit you too, whether you're hoping to maintain healthy vision or address existing concerns. If Stella's story resonated with you, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing health wisdom. Your comments help us create content that truly serves your needs, so share your thoughts or questions below. Has nutrition helped with your eye health? Are you planning to try any of these stem cell supporting foods? Let us know. And if you know someone who might benefit from this information, sharing this video could be the gift that changes their perspective on health. Together, we're building a community dedicated to natural approaches to wellness, where ancient wisdom meets modern science, and where your everyday choices can lead to extraordinary results.